Hello, my smart stars. I'm Mrs. Hanan, and this is my friend Lumi. Today we'll learn the S sound. Can you say it with us?
S, s, snake. S.
Sss-sun and Sss-star, shining brightly where we are. Ss-snake and Ss-spoon, Ss-spider spins a tune.
What do we see first?
Sss-sun, Sss-star.
Oh, a snake. Can you hiss like a snake? S, spoon, spider. Hello, detectives. I'm Detective Hanan, and this is Detective Loomy. Today, we'll find words that start with the S sound. Can you say S? S. Good job. Let's start our sound hunt. Look, Loomy, a star. Star. It starts with the S sound. Look closely, Loomy. A spider. Spider. It starts with the S. Aha. The sun. Sun. It starts with the S sound. Shh. What's that sound? A snake. Snake. It starts.
Sss-sun and Sss-star, your phonics superstars by far. Snake, spoon, spider too, you learn the S sound. Hooray!
Bye-bye, shining learners. See you next time.